Ladies and gentlemen of Germany, it's me, NYSEinstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Donald Trump running for president, Bernie Sanders, Hillary Clinton running for president. Does it have any effect on the stock market? I do not believe so. As yet, we'll see. Normally it doesn't. What in goodness name is making this market do what it's going to do? I have forensically addressed this situation because I'm baffled. Things that usually go up are going down. Things that are usually going down are going up. When they go up and then they go down inversely, that's not making any sense either. Gold, oil, commodities. What is going on with this trade? Sell in May and go away. We've got so many entities affecting the market. I've done the research today. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you the story I'm being told. Apparently, Australia raised interest rates. Their biggest trading partner is China. China comes out with factory reports that were negative. That caused an effect on the dollar. The dollar is doing things inversely than what it's supposed to do. Fear of what that effect will have on this market, interest rates here. What's happening in Europe with England and the euro. Dollars at a low, should be actually rallying. What's happening with inflation? The effect of inflation on the dollar, the inflation on the market, the inflation on Europe. Japan, 55% of all stock transactions are being bought by the Japanese government, creating a bubble. 1 in 10 stock transactions in ETFs, in the broader market, energy and commodities, in Japan is being bought by the Japanese government, creating a bubble, falsely propping that market up. China's market is in a strange thing. Australia, the dollar, one of the biggest trades in commodities, energy, and the Australian dollar relative to what's going on all over the world is a very complicated trade. This is way too much for Einstein to deal with. I may be smart, I may have been born at night, but I wasn't born last night. That's some complicated business, ladies and gentlemen. I'm giving you the components of what's affecting what's going on, but I don't really understand them, so I'm being honest. I could make up a whole lot of stuff and move my hands around and give you a song and dance. At the end of the day, those are the components affecting the market. It's causing us to sell off, putting a lot of pressure on this market. Einhorn just announced that he's shorting Caterpillar because of what his fears are about what's going on in China. China owns U.S. debt. A fear of a slowdown in China and what's going on in Australia, their biggest trading partner, can put heavy-duty fear and pressure on this market. And that's what I think we're seeing. Okay, is this boring out the sell in May and go away? I don't think so. I think we've just got some political and geopolitical, worldwide contango that's going to be affecting this market for a little while. I see sell pressure. That's for today. Market sold off 100 points. It was lower at one point. There was a bit of a pop and a rally, but it feels weak. It feels sell side across the board. That's today's news. 2 days ago, I felt bullish. Today, I feel bearish. At the end of the day, the market sold off. It was a little cooperative for me at the end of the day. It was a little bit of a pop, but it's a strange market. I am confused, and I got to share that with you. I cannot try and convince you that I understand what's happening. Okay? Gold down 17. It hit 13,000 and sold off. Oil. There was some pop this morning on some inventory numbers that seemed right. There was a evacuation of 80,000 people off the sands in Canada in the oil business. So oil should have been down, but it was up, and then it rolled over. It affected the market. This is confusing. There's so many components. I can't even begin to tell you, act as if I know what's going on. So I'm going to say is market down 100. Those are the components. You can analyze it for yourself. Einstein out.